All women love a good 2-in-1 product, right? What about this? It's 5-in-1. Today's Love List find is something we can easily recommend as a good girlfriend buy or a good spa night in. Now, Target recently started selling these beauty bundles, they're called. It's a kit that allows you to sample a variety of brands. The more the merrier. I love this. This mask kit really caught our attention. You can see this here for $7. You get to try 5 different face masks, a hydrating gel mask, a carrots, kale, and pepper mask. That's up Sarah Warner's alley. Our charcoal peel-off mask, and more. These are single use. You give them a try before you buy, and it's really a guilt-free me purchase. I think so anyway. That offers some personal pampering. We've tried it, we love it. Mother's Day is coming up, or just for you. You treat yourself, you deserve it. So we're putting this beauty bug in your ear for now. Look for the Target Beauty exclusive collection at the front kiosk or, end caps of the makeup section. So awesome.